Hey everybody, I'm going to show you guys how to download the SB Game Hacker for Android. First you have to go into your internet, check up Tau root APK, then go back to the first link to this page, but don't freak out. Just press the little thing in the middle, and it should say download. Slide up, press that, and go to install. It says it's unsafe, but just press this little arrow and press install anyway. Then open it. Then press make it rain. And it says say, thank you for using Tailroot. You should have root. No reboot required. If you enjoy this, please donate at Tailroot. Your donation makes this root happen. You don't really have to donate. Go back to your internet. And then check up. First link, go up, press install Aptoide. It shouldn't take long for it to install. Press that, slide down, press install. It should be installed. Take a while. Then press open. Then type in trans game hacker. And it should load. Then press this first icon right here. I already have mine installed, but you'll press, I'll just uninstall it to show you what happens. Uninstall it. Then I'll show you. So it's starting to download. Then press that. And then slide over. And it says agree. Press that little box next to it. And it should check it. And then press agree. And then it should pop up this. Hack game. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.